So I have some guesses. So
Jaylee, Janessa, Annalie,
Jasmine.
So the things that you need is some glue and some paint. We're using nail polishes and coloring fluid. And then for activator, we're using Tide, but you could use borax with water and contact solution. Then we are gonna use some glitter. This is optional. And then for mixing, we're gonna be using some pencils. So let's get started. First, each one of us is gonna get one container of glue. So then we're just gonna get like the mixing.
and then we're gonna be adding the food coloring. So they're gonna choose one. I'm waiting for blue.
And then you mix.
Then you need to put some activator. Guys, this is my final product. It's really cool. So yeah, it's actually really fluffy, but we didn't actually put shaving cream. So I don't know actually how did it came out fluffy.
So this is the finished product.
So this is how mine turned out. And
So my slime is ready and I add the glitter in it. And I'm trying to mix the glitter.
Hey guys, so this is my final product. I added a little bit of glitter in it and I think the color turned out very well.
Bye guys! Bye guys!